เหรอครับ
ไม่เอาเรียกน้ำซุปน้องเพราะว่าน้องเด็กกินน้ำซุปอันนี้เป็นไก่นะคะ อันนี้เป็นเนื้อจ้า
Oh, look, noodles. Been there, the soup, and then noodles.
Yummy, yummy, yum. Nom, 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 nom.
What is it?
Say aroy ma.
อร่อยไหมครับ So what I didn't want to do is just go to one of the famous Khao Soi shops in Chiang Mai Old Town that everyone's been to, that have been vlogged to death, and just tell you it's the best Khao Soi I've ever had in my life. I wanted to try and find somewhere a little bit different on this little noodle tour we're doing, out of Chiang Mai, just like I tried to do in Bangkok. If you follow my channel from Bangkok, you'll know what I mean. So I've come up to a little village called Hong Yang, which is about 25 minutes away from Mae Rim, which was 38 minutes, 40 minutes away from Chiang Mai Old Town. So I guess I'm about an hour away from Chiang Mai Old Town. It's a quiet little village, and the name of this restaurant is Pi Mao, which means Sister Cat. Pi Mao Khao Soi Aroy Tisud Yu Hong Yang. So it means Sister Cat's Khao Soi, which is the most delicious in the village of Pongyang, if I'm saying that correctly. So this is set behind a massive valley. So when you drive up from Mae Rim, the views are absolutely incredible. You're getting higher and higher and higher and higher. It's a little bit like driving from Chiang Mai to Pai, if you've done that route, or anywhere through northern China when you're driving up through the hills. Loads of restaurants on the way, loads of strawberry farms, avocado farms, and loads of different things growing. But anyway, we've got to this place. Is exactly the sort of restaurant that I like to eat in. Very local, very rustic, and best of all, the Khao Soi that's absolutely fantastic. Alright, so there's two Khao Sois on offer here. She's got beef and she's got chicken, so we've ordered one of each. So if you're not familiar with Khao Soi, it's curried noodles, blanched egg noodles, curry sauce, meat, and then deep fried crispy egg noodles on top. That's a very, very good Khao Soi straight off the bat. Perfectly spiced, quite spicy. I'm going to add a little bit of this Pit Galian mountain chili. Squeeze of lime, get in some of this pak dong, pickled mustard greens. And let's go. I'm going to try and get some of the beef, some of the noodles. It just brings back so many memories for me. You can get Khao Soi in Bangkok, a lot better than the Khao Soi you could 6 years ago when I lived there, but it's still not the same as coming to northern Thailand and eating it. Like, I guess it's a bit like eating pizza in Naples, something like that, you know? You're in the home of the dish. The crispy noodles are perfect, light, fluffy. They don't have that rank oil taste that some up here do. Some like have that like used oil taste that I really don't like. This is really good. As I said, perfectly spiced. The beef, super, super tender. I'm going to try and get a spoonful with the sauce, the beef, and a big chunk of those pickled mustard greens. The pickled mustard greens are really good. I don't know about the most aroy in Pongyang. This could be the most aroy in Chiang Mai. So for me, the beef absolutely perfect, spiced to perfection, not too much curry powder. It hasn't got that generic curry powder taste. Lots and lots of black cardamom, which I like to taste in my Khao Soi. It's thick, it's rich, it's creamy. Absolutely delicious. It's got more flavour from the chicken. Like, it's almost where they've used drumsticks, chicken drumsticks. That's obviously like released its own stock and flavoured the soup. It's a bit sweeter, but that might be because she hasn't put any lime juice or chili in hers. And try the chicken. It's like Khao Soi when I make it at home. I use chicken drumsticks because my favourite Khao Soi called Khao Soi Samajay in Chiang Mai, they use drumsticks, so I started using drumsticks. So the drumsticks take on all the flavour of the curry. But again, really, really rich, really, really oily, and really thick coconut milk, but really, really well spiced. Now there's a couple of different versions of Khao Soi. There's the thicker one like this, it's coconut milk heavy and can be a bit sweeter, but it's usually due to the coconut milk itself. Or there's like the thinner version, like a lot of shop houses in Chiang Mai have a thinner version, but it's still packed full of flavour. I usually prefer the thinner one, but I actually really enjoy this. I don't really care which one I have. I like both. It depends what mood I'm in. But this is a really, really good version, guys. As always, I will stick directions and opening times to this place in the description box below. But this was an excellent addition to a little food tour of Mae Rim. I think dinner's going to be extra special. We're going to be down on a stream that's coming from the waterfall in Doi Sutet National Park. So that's going to be really, really cool. So stick around for that. For now, I'm going to try and get the drone up, get some shots of this area, get some shots of the valley, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about when I tell you that this place is absolutely stunning.